Hey everyone, it's Miss Grice. And today's lesson is going to be over congruent triangles. Congruent triangles are triangles with the same shape and size. This means that all corresponding parts, so angles and sides, are going to be congruent. So when we are talking about congruent triangles, we can write a congruent statement. So this is what the congruent statement is saying. So triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. So if I look at the picture, A has like one swoosh mark, D has one swoosh mark. So I know that angle A and angle D are congruent. B and E have two, C and F have three. Also, if I look at side AB, it is the same as side DE because it has one dash mark. BC and EF both have two, and then CA and FD have three. So all of the parts are the same, or they're congruent to each other. Looking at example 1, I'm just going to complete the following statements. So KM, K to M, is going to be the same as A to C. And this, again, order matters. K comes first in my statement. A comes first in my statement. So if K is here, its partner is A. K's partner is A, M's partner is C. M is last, C is last. So I can put a little dash mark telling me that those two are congruent. CY, I'll put two dash marks because it's the second one that I'm doing. C to Y, so third to second, third to second. MP. And then PK, P to K, second to first, second to first. Because this is talking about the third one, I'll put three dash marks. Angle Y is the second in this statement, so its partner is the second in the first statement. Angle K is first in the first statement, its partner is A, because it is first in the second statement. Then angle ACY, ACY, first to third to second. First to third to second. So K, M, P. Triangle MPK is congruent to triangle. So MPK, we just went backwards. I'm going to go backwards on this statement. CYA. Then triangle triangle YAC, so second, first, third, second, first, third, PKM. All right, they give us a congruent statement. Triangle STW is congruent to triangle BFN. So looking at BN, side BN, B to N, first and third, is the same as SW. So if SW is 9, BN is 9. TW, T to W, second and third. Its partner is FN. So TW, FN. FN is 14, TW is 14. Then BF, first and third, or first and second, its partner is ST. If ST is 17, BF is 17. All right, looking at the angles, angle W is the last letter, so its partner is N. So angle N they give us as 82. That means that angle W is also 82. Angle B, its partner is angle S. Angle S they gave us, it's 67, so angle B is also 67. Then angle F's partner is angle T. Well, if I look at both of them, I don't have an angle for either one, but I can come up with that angle. I'll come up with angle F real quick by doing 180 minus the two angles that they give me, 82 and 67. When I subtract those two, I get 31. So angle F is 31, angle T would also be 31. All right, moving on. We're going to use what we know now about congruent triangles, that all the parts are congruent, and solve for algebra skills. Now we're solving for x, y, and z for number 3. We don't know how to put x's and y's and z's together. So we're going to do each of them individually. So give yourself enough room to do x, y, and z. So I'm going to start with x. X is corresponding with UV. UV is the first and second, so its partner is TS, because it's first and second. So 2x minus 7 equals 53. From here, just simple algebra problem, I'm going to add my 7. So I have 2x equals 60. And then I'm going to divide. So I get x equals 5. All right, we solved for x. I'm going to solve for y. Y is corresponding with RS. RS is the second and third, so its partner is the second and third, VW. Just like I did with x, I'm going to put 5y minus 33 equal to 57. Add my 33. So I get 5y equals 90. Divide by 5. Y equals 18. Solve for y. Now we're left with z. I'm just going to double check. Z is right here. Z corresponds with UW. UW is first and third, so its partner is TR. So 3z plus 14 equals 50. Subtract my 14. I have 3z equals 36. Divide by 3. So z equals 12. So all I did was just match up partners and put them equal to each other. We're going to do the same thing with number 4, except this time we're talking about angles. So same idea, give yourself enough room to solve for x, y, and z. I'm going to look at x first. So here's x. X is corresponding with angle H. Angle H is my second or my middle letter, so its partner is angle N. So 6x minus 29 equals 115. Add your 29. 6x equals 144. Divide by 6. X equals 24. Solve for y next. Y is with angle F. Angle F is my last letter. So I'm looking for angle S, which angle S I actually do not have right now. I can find it though. Angle S should be, I'm going to do 180 minus 115 minus 36 to get 57. So angle S is going to be equal to 57. Oops, sorry, it's going to be equal to 29. Sorry about that. Add my 1. 3y equals 30. Divide by 3. So I get y equals 10. Then the last one I have z. Its partner is the 36. C is first letter, its partner is P. Add my 32. I'll get 68. Divide by 4. I get 17. All right, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to draw pictures just so I know what part matches up with what part. So I'm going to start D, E, F. I'm going to do J, K, L. DE is 18. EF is 23. And DF is 9x minus 23. So all I did is just plug in all of the information that they gave me. JL is 7x minus 11. JK, 3y minus 21. Finding the values of x and y. So I'm going to find x first. DF, D, first and second, matches up with JL, which they're both, the way that I drew my picture, are both on the bottom. So these two are equal to each other. From here we get rid of our smallest x. They're on opposite sides of the equal sign. I'm going to add my 23. Then divide. I get x equals 6. Now looking at my y, y is corresponding with JK. JK first and second corresponds with DE. The way that I have my picture, they're both in the same space. So put them equal to each other. 3y minus 21 equals 18. Add my 21. And then divide. So y equals 13. All right, doing the same thing with number 6 like I did with number 5. I am going to draw my pictures. And I draw them the same way every time. I think it makes it a little bit easier. So QRS, QRS, and then MNP. QR is 11, QS 15, MP 2x plus 1, angle S is 84, angle R 32, angle M 17y minus 4. Find the values for x and y. So I'm going to do x first. X is corresponding with MP. MP, first and third, corresponds with first and third. QS, again, the way that I have my picture set up and the way I draw it every single time, they're going to match up with each other. They're going to be in the same spot. So subtract your 1, then divide, so x gives you 7. Now to find my y is with angle M. Angle M is the first letter, angle Q is the first letter. I don't have an angle measurement for angle Q. I can find it because they give me 2 of the other angles by doing 180 minus 32 minus 84, and I'll get 64. So angle Q gives me 64 degrees. So now I can do 7y minus 4 equals 64. Plus the 4. And then divide by 17. So y gives me 4. Let us know if you have any questions, but you have homework for tonight.